Say, I'm Isabel and I can sit up now all by myself. Stay here. Okay. What you doing? You playing? Is your sister tired? I just put her back upstairs because she was very grumpy. She's crying. We're all refreshed. Cute baby. Who's a cute baby? Isabel. Yay! Hi, sweetie. Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? How's that toe? Can you say Mama? 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 Can you say Mama? No? No. Want to show everyone how you climb? Go climb. Climb the gate. Show everybody how you climb the gate. Oops. What's this? Can you climb up here? No? Who's cute? That's inside of Isabel's mouth.